On Tuesday afternoon, Troy students gathered for an out-of-this-world presentation by John Reese, an education specialist with NASA who spoke about the 50th anniversary of the moon landing and the future of lunar exploration.
My presentation today was talking about the history and future of lunar exploration, looking at what we've done in the past, what we've learned from it, and what we're planning to do in the not-too-distant future. It's important that they understand the past of NASA so they can understand where we're going and what we're trying to do as we move forward into the future. We really want the students to be aware and interested in our future because we need them to come and join us as part of our future workforce.
NASA is the paramount destination of many in the STEM field, and Reese's talks are always a fan favorite.
John Reese is a regular at Troy University. He's an education specialist at NASA, and when he comes and gives a talk, it's standing room only. Everybody loves it, and it's not extra credit at all. It's come and learn. I mean, this is the fun stuff. This is why we study the hard stuff. NASA is the stuff dreams are made of. So this is why they do all the hard work.
The future's looking pretty good. We've got funding for full funding for going ahead with the Gateway Lunar Orbiter platform, with the SLS, the Space Launch System, our new heavy lift vehicle, and the Orion crew capsule. So we're looking pretty good for getting on out to the moon and actually putting people on the surface of the moon in the mid to late 2020s.
While NASA is the dream job of many students in STEM career fields, the message today could not have been any clearer. Shoot for the stars, and one day, you could be the first Trojan to walk the moon. Sam Granville, Troy, TrojanVision News.